Hey there, let me ask you something. Imagine you have 86,400 rupees in your pocket, and then someone steals just 10 rupees from you. What would you do? Would you throw away the rest of the 86,390 rupees? Of course not, right? Now think of your day the same way. Every day, you're given 86,400 seconds, and just like the rupees, if something bad happens in just 10 seconds of your day, does that mean you should waste the remaining 86,390 seconds? Absolutely not. Bad moments will come. Maybe it's a frustrating situation or a small setback, but don't let it ruin your entire day. You still have plenty of time left to make the most of it. So, the next time something goes wrong, remember this. Don't throw away your entire day just because of a few bad seconds. Keep moving forward and make the most of your time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you today, be sure to like and subscribe for more reminders like this.